What up, everybody, to that new episode of Morezo Podcast. We got Miss KD, the queen, up in this motherfucker, Mr. 7577.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, y'all know what it is. We back up in here. We told y'all. And check out that Morezo Podcast radio station, too. Y'all know what it is. Miss KD, the queen, you know what I'm saying? She back up in here, y'all. Hey, let's feel it. Mr. 7577. Fuck this shit coming soon, man. Y'all niggas be on the lookout for that shit, man. Everybody, you know what I'm saying? Coming soon. Hey, man. I'm just so happy, man. That positive energy. That positive energy up in here, you know what I'm saying? So we got Miss KD, the queen, up in here, you know what I'm saying? She doing her thing, representing, she back, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all please excuse me, my voice is gone, but got the tea, I've been working, man. That's all I've been doing, man. Music is life. Music every day, music all day, that's what I want. My voice will be back.
Yeah, so, since we're on the music thing, what inspired you to do this shit? You know what I'm saying?
You know, nobody really inspired me to do it. I just came into it, and I really just always worked music, you know what I'm saying? Music is really my life, and I made that decision on my own. And now everybody keeps inspiring me, and I'm in it, you know? Like, I'm inspired by my kids, by my family, and by new artists that I meet every day, you know what I'm saying? Like yourself, and like Mo, man, for real, y'all inspire me to do what I do too. Yeah.
We hope to inspire y'all too, man. Y'all come on that Morezo Podcast, man. Hey, it's real, man, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget your dream, people. I understand you're doing your 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget your dream, you know what I'm saying? Hey, how they can reach you though? Because everybody been waiting to hear you. We know you back.
Yeah, man, yeah. So I used to do music in South Carolina 2 years ago, you know, and I'm still, hey, I got some music that y'all ain't never heard, but it's old to me and it's new to y'all, you know? So I'm just, I got like 3 songs I got mixed and mastered, and you can go on YouTube and find them. You type in K, make sure you put a space after the K, DDAQUEEN, KD the Queen, baby. That's me pretty much on everything. On Snapchat, KD the Rare One, baby. I put the exclusives on Snapchat always here first. And then look for me on Instagram, Keena D the Queen, alright? So you don't have to know my first name if you know me on Instagram.
Hey, y'all seen it, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all tuned in to Morezo Podcast. Hey, we back.
Hey, what do you see your music doing?
So, I feel like, well, I don't know if I'm going to get the globe. I don't know if I'm going to get that far, but I know that in my music, I'm not just talking about anything, man. I'm not trying to throw no ass, just being honest, you know what I'm saying? If you listen to my music and you love my music, you really got to have a heart. You really got to appreciate and know life, you know what I'm saying? Everybody not going to love my music, but I'm going to change, I know, somebody's life and make a positive impact on somebody.
So do you feel like you just a storyteller, or you feel like you're an artist? Like you feel like you can switch gears whenever you step in the studio with anybody with any different type of skill set?
Yeah, so I've done other songs, and yeah, I feel like I'm very versatile. I can do any type of music. I'm an artist. I'm not just a storyteller. I will definitely help people and love their music. You might see me put a heart on something, but you know, it doesn't always mean that I agree with everything that they say. Maybe you just had a nice video. You know what I'm saying? Some people, I don't like too many goods. I tell the truth about that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm an artist, man. I talk about fucking somebody up too sometimes because it becomes the right thing. I fuck somebody up. If it's about my kids, if it's about my money, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, but I'm all about peace and equality, man, and I'm a good person, so I ain't really trying to make no trouble. I ain't trying to make no noise, and how they say I don't want no smoke.
Hey, y'all heard it first. We're going to take this little commercial break. Y'all tune in to Morezo Podcast. We got KD the Queen up here, Mr. Mo Easy 757, and also Mr. Silver Spoon. Hey, tune back in, man. Hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with us, man. Y'all know what it is. Come on. Okay. Y'all need to step into the light and love the ones that's loving you. Help the ones that's helping you. Fuck the ones that's stressing you. I know they be testing Get that thing out the way. Look at my face. What up, everybody?
What up, nigga? Damn, nigga.